Alright, we've adjusted our our text, and made it look nice with our font, and adjusted our size. Alright, let's move on to adding or changing our images. So putting some images into here, or adjusting what we already have. Alright, so we're going to be bringing in an image from our computer, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I do have an image I saved earlier on. So basically we go to insert up here, and then we're just going to click picture. Set a picture from file, let's click that. Okay, so I'm just going to go to my desktop here, so on the left, desktop, and then my picture is here, so cake 1. So I just left click and hit insert, or you can just double click, and then our image appears here. So it is behind our text for some reason. Let's just adjust that now. So over here we just go our wrap text, so we just go in front of text, and then voila, our image is on top. Previously it was behind because it was set just to being behind all the text and images. So if that does happen, again you just go wrap text and then hit in front of text, and then we are free to move our cake around in our document here. So we can just move it around. As you can see, when you left click and drag, it does give you a preview of where it's going to be. So let's just put it in the corner here, and we have our image of our cake. Alright, let's go on to adjusting some images for our our options for our image. So our image is still selected. So up here we automatically get picture tools, so format. So we do have several options here. So this is our picture styles, and as you can see, you hover over each one and you get lots of options. So I'm just hovering over them, and as you can see, it does give you a preview of what it looks like. And if you want more options, we just click here, and we get a lot more options for picture styles. So a couple more there. Okay, so I'm just going to pick this one here. So snip, diagonal, and we're just going to left click that. Quite like that one. Okay, so we just left click that, and voila, we have a new picture style. As you can see, it is kind of big there on the left. It's taking up a bit of space. So let's just resize that a little. Left click it, and we get our boxes here. So this is for resizing. So we're just going to left click that and drag it across. So notice I am using the corner dragging tool. So this makes sure the image stays proportional. You always want to use that, otherwise it gets squished. So we just move that, and let's make it a bit smaller here. There we go. And just small enough so it does fit in the corner. And move it around if you feel necessary. Again, just left click and drag, and you can move it around. Okay. Let's look at some more options, such as our border for our image. So up the top we have here picture border. Just left click that, and we're gonna pick a border option here. Okay, so let's pick a color for our border. Let's hover over some options, and as you can see, it does change according to which one you preview. Just moving it around. So let's click this one here. This one I like blue-gray. So just left click that, and it changes to blue-gray. Alright, now let's adjust some options for the weight of our border. So it's basically the thickness of a border we get here. So again, we go to picture border, and then we go to weight here, and then we do get several options. Again, you just click and hover over each one, and you do get a preview. Alright, so I'm gonna pick 4.5. So just left click that. Quite like that. Sort of matches the document there. And yeah, we've adjusted our border for our picture of a cake. So again, feel free to change as you like. We always have our format options here. You can always click and drag which one you like, click and hover, and again you get a preview of which one you do like. You can always change it, and yeah, it's up to you. Be creative with whatever style of border you want to choose.